Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump start your Kia Rio. First, gather your essential tools: a set of jumper cables, a working vehicle with a fully charged 12-volt battery, and safety gear such as gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are turned off, in park or neutral, and have their parking brakes firmly set. Carefully position the vehicles so they are close enough for the cables to reach, but ensure they are not touching each other. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Find the positive terminal on your Kia Rio's dead battery. It's usually marked with a plus sign and often has a red cover. Securely attach one red jumper cable clamp to this positive terminal. Next, take the other end of the red cable and connect its clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Ensure both connections are tight and secure. Next, we'll connect the negative cables. Take one black jumper cable clamp and attach it to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. For the final connection, attach the other black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Kia Rio's engine block or chassis. This provides a good ground connection and helps prevent sparks near the battery. Choose a sturdy, non-moving metal part, at least 12 inches away from the battery. With all cables connected, start the engine of the good vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to charge the dead battery. Then, try starting your Kia Rio. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few more minutes before trying again. Once your Kia Rio starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order. First the black from the ground, then the black from the good battery, followed by the red from the good battery, and finally, the red from your Kia Rio's battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.